Hello everybody, you are welcome to Raytech Web Development, and in today's tutorial we are going to be looking at tables, how to create tables on our web page. So without wasting much time, let's dive in. To create a table in an HTML document or to create a table on your web page, you do that by using the table tag, the HTML table tag. It has an opening tag and a closing tag because it takes stuff here. So this is the table element over here, but then we know every table has rows and columns. So once the table element is created, you have to nest rows and columns inside the table elements. So now to create a row, it's done by simply using the table row tag or the tr tag. So this thing we've done here is a row in our table, and then within the row we specify the columns. The columns are table data cells or table data. So it takes the td tag, td. So this thing we've done here, we've created a column in this row. So this table I've created here is a table made up of one row and then one column. So let's create another column in that row. We copy this, we paste. So now it has two columns in one row, three columns in one row. So we can create another row by typing tr again, table row, and then we create columns in here. So let's create two columns here, and let's save this. We refresh and nothing is showing. This is because we've not specified the border and some attributes of the table. But before we do that, let's put some stuff in here and see how the table will look like. So let's see, this is cell 1. Let's copy this, cell 2, cell 3, cell 4, and cell 5. We save this, we refresh, and everything is showing here. So as I said, this is the first column of the first row, the second column of the first row here, and then the third column of the first row, cell 3, and then the two columns of the second row can be seen here as well. All right, so now let's make this look like a table, like a real table. So what we do is that we specify the border in the table. It's actually a CSS property, but because we've not started CSS yet, I'm going to do it in a way that anyone who doesn't know about CSS will understand, although that's not the acceptable way of doing it in HTML5. And then for better understanding of tables, let me do it that, and then when we get to CSS, we rectify that. So let's say we specify a border. You see, I said that's not the right way. You see, it's right here. Not that that's not actually the right way, but this way is archaic. Archaic. So we don't do this in HTML5. In HTML5, you specify the style and then the border. That's how it's done. But then, because we've not started CSS, let's just stick to this. So let's give it a border of, say, 1. Let's just say 1. We save this and we refresh, and you see our table now has borders. All right, I hope yours is working as well. So this is all about tables. So to create a table, we use the table tag, and the table rules are created, and columns or table data cells are created in the table rows. So this table here has two rows with 3 columns in the first row and 2 columns in the second row. So we can create another column here, cd, say cell 6. Now the second row has 3 columns just like the first row. So we refresh and cell 6 is showing. Or if we create another table data here, all right, table data here, say cell 7, You save this, you refresh, and cell 7 is showing here. Alright, thank you very much. This is where we'll be ending for today. In our next clip, we'll be looking at how to merge table, columns, and rows. Thank you very much for your time. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed. Like the videos and share for others to be blessed. Thank you very much once more. Enjoy the rest of your day.